Hey y'all, I hope everyone is having a good day today. So today I'm outside. I am making a DIY trellis for my watermelon. I have 3 different kinds of watermelon growing back there in my in-ground bed. So they're starting to get big, and I want to go ahead and make a trellis for them so they can start to train themselves to go up the trellis that I will be making. So I have 3 wooden stake posts that I got from Home Depot. They're about $4 a piece. So I got 3 of those. I'm gonna have 2 on the end and then 1 in the middle to give it a little extra support. So I do have a drill. I know I can do this with a drill, but my drill is not working. And I do not know where the charger to this drill is. So yeah, we're doing the old-fashioned way with the nail, hammer, and screwdriver. So but yeah, I went ahead and just did that. I'll put 2 on the end and then 1 in the middle. Very simple, just screw them in, and yeah, there we go. So I'm just screwing them in a little tighter just to make sure nothing flies away or fall apart. Just trying to make this as stable as possible. And I try to recycle or upcycle a lot of things that I already have. So where I'm staking these posts, my garden is on a somewhat of a slope. So I'm trying to get a good feel for where I want to place the post. It's not going to be entirely even as possible because of how it's built on this slope. But yeah, I got it in there the best I could, and I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm just digging up some dirt from a different part of my yard. This dirt, it holds a lot. It's a lot clayey, let's say that. So I'm putting it around the post to give it a little more extra secureness to keep it in place. So I'm going to do that and put it around all 3 of the stakes. So after I got the post in the ground, I went ahead and tied my string around the post and started making block square patterns to start trellising up the watermelon to start growing up the trellis. And here we are. I figured while I was already out here, I'll give you guys a little tour. These are my 3 different watermelons that I have growing. And then over here, I have a bunch of different types of tomatoes, beefsteak, Roma, and I think sweet 100s. But they're doing pretty good. They're thriving, growing slowly. But for the most part, they're doing good. So over here we have our corn and our squash. This is a summer squash. I forgot the brand of it, but yes, that's a summer. And this is a cucumber that I need to trellis, but it's doing good. And then we have some corn. Look, we have 1 corn. And yes, this corn is pretty tall. It grows pretty tall. Then over here we have our sugar baby watermelons. They're doing pretty good. I actually already have a couple that's thriving and surviving. Yes, they're trellising up pretty good. Then over here I have my cabbages and some radishes in the back over here. Yep, radishes. And then in the front I have some onions. Over here we have a red beet and some lemon balm that I'm going to move, and some carrots. And then we have some beans, and they're trellising up pretty good as well. But the beetles are loving these. So in this last raised bed, we just have some lettuce, some squash, and some cabbage. Yeah, that's it, you guys. I thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Stick around with us and grow. If so, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go out and sow a seed.